Hi there everyone, my name is Preetam and I welcome you all to Technoholic. Today we are diving into something groundbreaking from Google. Their newest AI-powered note-taking application known as NotebookLM. Let's unravel how this game changer is set to revolutionize the way we handle information, organize our thought and unleash our creativity. Now let's see how we can get started. For that, as of today, we have two prerequisites. First of all, you need to be in USA. Second is you need to be 18 plus. And not to worry guys, soon Google will launch this application worldwide. And maybe if you are watching this video after a few weeks, Google Notebook LM might already being launched in your country. So without further ado, let's get started. For that, let's jump into our computer screen. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna open my internet browser, and as you can see here, and now I'm gonna type the following URL, which is notebooklm.google. And now here you will see this NotebookLM homepage where you will see a quick preview of its capability. You simply need to click on this button which says try NotebookLM, and it will ask you to try NotebookLM. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna actually open this in incognito because I am already logged in. And now I'm gonna do try NotebookLM. Now here you need to enter your Google ID and then your password. Now here we can see its interface, which looks quite minimalistic. The interface is clean and straightforward, focusing on notebook for project specific information. Adding a source, I would say, is a breeze, whether you want to add it from Google Drive or PDF, or you want to directly paste the text, you can do it all. Yes, but it does not support a lot of other format, which again I would say is its limitation. But what truly set NotebookLM apart is its ability to synthesize information from multiple sources, creating summary, generating outline, and even crafting content in various formats. It's like having a conversation with your own AI researcher and pulling together insight from up to 4 million words of text. It is really impressive guys. And for those who are doing research in certain field and just want to utilize the trusted source or the selected source of document. And for those who love to dive deep, NotebookLM source grounded AI allow for personalized, authoritative information handling. You can interact with your data securely, knowing it is not used to train other model or shared externally. Enough talk, now let's see how actually it works. So now again, let's go back to our computer screen, and now here let me actually start creating new notebook. For that, simply you need to click on new notebook, and now here you can give your project title a name. For example, I am a student of class 10th, okay, and then I would like to collect the information about a particular topic of science. So now I'm gonna give it a name, science, and let me hit save. And there we go, we have just created our notebook. Now what we need to do is we need to add source. For that, let's click here on add source, and now here we have got these three options. Either we can upload something from Google Drive or Google Docs. For example, here I have created some of docs, or else what I can do is I can also upload PDF. So let me click here on PDF. Now I need to specify a PDF. And now since I am creating my own resource, let me add it a free NCERT book from NCERT website. And now I'm gonna download a textbook of class 10th science. And let's actually download our first chapter. And we have downloaded it. And let me actually open it first to confirm. And there we go. Here we can see our first chapter that we have downloaded of science. Now, there are so many things going on, and then maybe I can ask a question related to balanced chemical equation. And as I said before, we can add up to 20 different sources. So this could be one source, and then you also would like to add your own source. And the third option was copying and pasting the text. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is, let me ask, I want to create a complete outline of the content inside this document. Okay, now let me hit enter and let's see what it come up with. And maybe side by side for comparison, I can also open this chapter, and then here we can see this talks about chemical reaction and equation, and then here we can see side by side comparison, and then here you can see the entire summary of this course is created. So here we can see how accurately it has summarized the whole chapter, and then a very brief essence. Now let me actually pull it out, and then let's expand this same NotebookLM, and now let's see actually the citation that this notebook have created. So if you click here on 10 citation, here you will see from where it have created that particular thing. Here using citation, you will realize from where it has created that summary. Now, in order to save it, you can actually pin this message on the top. So in this way, we can actually save our research. And then here you can again start doing your research. Now, one good thing I realize here is that it also gave us proactive questions. Let's click on it and let's see. And then, as I said before, it is based on the content you have provided. And actually, here we can see the way it has provided the answer is really awesome. And it is also able to display the equations in a proper way. This is really nice whether you are doing research, or you are a college student, or even you are a business professional. You may utilize this to create summary of your meetings. This could be one of another use case scenario in your case. Now again, we can also click here on add note to create a new note, and then here you can type it by yourself, or else you can paste the data or relevant link however you want to use it. So in this way guys, we can utilize it. You also have option to share it with your friends or colleagues by clicking on this share button, and from there you can provide access to them as well. So whether you are organizing a course note, or preparing for a meeting, or embarking on a complex writing project, NotebookLM stands out as your AI powered ally. From summarizing academic paper to drafting a proposal, and even helping and shaping your next creative masterpiece, the possibilities I would say are endless. While NotebookLM is a groundbreaking tool, still I would say is evolving, as currently it supports up to 20 sources and is fine-tuning its capability for reading PDF, performing maths, and handling large data set. The team at Google Lab is continuously working on improving, promising an even more refined experience in future. And currently, as I said, it is only available for 18+ and only available for US. In the end, I would say NotebookLM is more than just a note-taking app. It's a comprehensive platform that integrates reading, researching, note-taking, and writing into a seamless flow, allowing you to work at the speed of thought. I am excited to see how it evolves and the impact it will have in our digital life. And that's wrap on our exploration of NotebookLM. If you are as intrigued as I am, give it a try and share your experience in comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all things tech here in Technoholic. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.